how to convert USDT to Solana on Bybit. So let me show you how to do it step by step. After you open the the Bybit app like this now, go to this trade section. After you come to the trade under the Bybit, go to convert at the top left side. After you come to this convert, now tap on this option now, this space arrow. So now go ahead and search for USDT. USDT like this. So now here it is, now select the USDT. After you select the USDT in the top, now tap on the second arrow, this one. So now go ahead and search for Solana. That's SOL. Here it is now Sol. So after you select the Sol, now specify the amount of the USDT you want to convert to Solana in this option now. So after you specify the amount in this option now, just tap on this quote button. After you tap on this quote button, you'll be able now to convert it your USDT to Solana. If you want to see the balance of the USDT, just tap on this back arrow and go to this asset button. So from this asset, you'll be able now to see, if you scroll to down, you'll be able now to see the amount of the Solana you have under funding or under unverified assets. And that's it, guys.